Using your Chime credit card with no money requires a good understanding of how credit cards work and the specific features of Chime credit cards. Chime is a financial technology company that offers a range of financial services, including credit cards. First, it is essential to understand that a credit card is a line of credit that allows you to borrow money from the credit card issuer to make purchases, pay bills, or get cash advances. When you use a credit card, you are essentially taking a loan from the issuer, and you will need to pay back the borrowed amount, plus interest and fees, if applicable. Chime credit cards are designed to be used with a Chime spending account, which is a deposit account that allows you to manage your money and track your spending. To use your Chime credit card with no money, you will need to have a Chime spending account and a Chime credit card. One of the key features of Chime credit cards is that they do not require a minimum balance to be maintained, and there are no overdraft fees. However, if you try to make a purchase or get a cash advance with no available balance, the transaction will be declined. If you want to use your Chime credit card with no money, you can consider setting up a direct deposit into your Chime spending account. This way, you can ensure that you have a steady stream of income flowing into your account, and you can use your credit card to make purchases or pay bills. Another option is to use the Chime Credit Card Builder feature, which allows you to build credit while making regular payments on your credit card balance. This feature is designed for people who are new to credit or who are trying to rebuild their credit. In terms of best practices, it is essential to use your Chime credit card responsibly and make regular payments on your balance. This will help you build credit and avoid interest charges and fees. You should also monitor your account regularly to ensure that you have sufficient funds to cover your transactions. In conclusion, using your Chime credit card with no money requires a good understanding of how credit cards work and the specific features of Chime credit cards. By setting up a direct deposit, using the credit card builder feature, and making regular payments, you can use your Chime credit card responsibly and build credit over time.